Summer scent of the day. Ito si Riffs Privé Noir. Right, so si Riffs Privé Noir ang ating review for today's video. Right, so si Riffs Privé Noir, nabili natin siya sa marketplace and the price is less than 1,000 pesos. And I wore this perfume around 2:30 p.m. and it's now 12:50 in the morning. Okay, so let's talk about the presentation muna. Alright, very simple bottle na parang alak na bote ang ating Riffs Privé Noir. This is a 100 ml bottle. Alright, and then it's black overall. Very elegant, very classy, very simple, very clean for me. Ito is sa mga pinakagusto kong bote kasi nga very easy to handle. Ang ganda ng kanyang gripability. Okay. Dali mo mahawakan yung bote. Right? And in terms of the atomizer sprayer, black din siya. Right? Now, pag in-spray mo, ganito yung kanyang buga. Alright? Ganda ng volume. Medyo manipis yung kanyang buga pero tama-tama yung volume ng perfume na lalabas. Okay. Now, in terms of the opening, ang opening nito ni Riffs Privé Noir is amoy mo kagad yung grapefruit and then leather and suede na combination. Okay, so si Apple hindi gaano, medyo at the background lang si Apple, pero ang munang maamoy mo yung is grapefruit, cardamom, leather and suede. Okay, and this is going to be mostly the scent that you will be able to smell from the beginning up until mostly sa gitna ng kanyang performance. Now, around probably 4 to 6 hours, dyan medyo mas marami na yung maamoy mo ng leather and suede na combination. Medyo nababawas na si grapefruit and cardamom. Alright? Now, again, this is a dupe of Creed Aventus. So, if you're familiar with that kind of scent profile, yun yung maamoy mo mostly. Alright? Now, in terms of performance, as I mentioned, I wore this at around 2:30 p.m. On my right wrist, and I would be able to say na after 2 hours, yan, maganda yung kanyang projection, maamoy mo siya, meron kang scent bubble, maamoy mo pagka naglalakad ka, yung hangin na dumadaan ulit sa ilong mo, maamoy mo yung perfume. Alright, now, in terms of projection, probably malapit-lapit lang, around 1 to 2 feet. Okay, in terms of the projection. And after a couple of hours, around 4 hours, yan, medyo hihina na yung kanyang projection and magiging skin set na siya. Alright, so skin set siya up until 6 hours. Okay, and then up until probably 8 to 10 hours, medyo mahina na yung amoy niya. Naamoy mo pa rin sa skin. Alright, tapos sa clothes, ngayon, naamoy ka pa rin siya. Okay, so nakas ng kapit niya sa clothes. Again, 2:30 na kanina. Pero parang kaka-apply ko lang siya a few hours ago. Yung amoy niya sa clothes. Alright, so yun lang masasabi ko in terms of this perfume. Sulit na siya for less than 1,000 pesos. 100 ml na bottle. You get that scent DNA of Aventus, and sulit na rin siya. Right, for me in terms of the performance, I could probably rate this as an 8 out of 10. Okay, it could have been a little higher if maganda yung kanyang projection and as well as mas tumagal pa siya ng konti siguro sa skin. Right, now compared to our local perfumes na Aventus DNA din, I'd be probably going for this one instead. Okay, think sa ating mga dupes na meron ako so far, think this one performs a lot better or a little better compared to our local dupes of Creed Aventus. Okay, so yun lang muna. If you have any questions, suggestions, or anything that you'd like to ask about this perfume, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!